Imagine being a surgical trainee, eager to master the art of basic suturing, knot tying, laparoscopy, vascular repair, or microsurgery. You are in a high-stakes environment, moving from one operating theater to another, grasping as much as possible in a short time while carefully assisting the professor. Your mentors, experienced surgeons, barely have time between their clinical duties to supervise. The clock is ticking, the pressure is real, and the learning, often expensive and incomplete. Medical colleges need huge budgets for setting up training labs, large space, lighting, ergonomic furniture, approvals, qualified trainers. Actual surgeons must miss their clinical work to supervise the trainees, burdening the healthcare system and increasing patient waiting time. Animal laboratory and veterinarians to maintain it, animals, biomedical waste handling and abiding by several regulations, and finally the colleges take limited number of surgical trainees and hence the cost per trainee is huge. What if learning surgical skills wasn't confined to a rushed training session or the unpredictability of a clinical environment? Unfortunately, even if the university can set up such a skills training lab, one doesn't find time to go and learn often. This is the harsh reality. What if you could train anytime, anywhere, with an AI mentor guiding you in real time, putting to use your MetaQuest, Apple Vision Pro, PlayStation VR, Microsoft HoloLens, HTC Vive, Oculus Rift, Samsung Gear VR, Google Daydream, enter virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, extended reality, holography and artificial intelligence. The training lab is no longer a physical space, it's wherever you are. Your hostel dormitory, spare outpatient room, cafe inside the operation theater, your tools, a laptop, XR headset, and sensors attached to real surgical instruments. These tools provide real-time feedback. The AI has been trained using videos of trained surgeons of various specialties and built on the most common mistakes of surgical trainees. The AI mentor, trained using vast datasets of surgical techniques, analyzes your grip, pressure, precision, and movement. It tells you exactly where you need to improve, just like your mentor. Your grip on the needle holder is too tight. Relax your wrist. You are grasping the tissues too tight. The needle must be introduced at 90 degrees. Wait till you reach deep DMEs. Avoid going deeper without adequate exposure. There is a vessel beneath. Tent up the skin and then introduce the needle inside out. This is no ordinary training. Speaks just like your consultant. This is personalized, interactive learning that adapts to your skill level and has all the patience in the world and more. And unlike a real mentor, this AI never tires, never rushes, and never misses a mistake. Let's talk numbers. A traditional skills training lab and animal lab, they burns a hole in the university budgets, which then end up making surgical education extremely expensive, and forces the student to rake up a huge debt. XR-based training, a fraction of the cost. You already know what these VR headsets cost. Add the cost of cheap IoT sensors, and AI-based technology which will only get cheaper. No need for large spaces, no biomedical waste, and no regulatory hurdles. More importantly, trainees can practice thousands of procedures without ever risking patient safety. Think this is just about suturing? Think again. XR-based training spans a vast range of surgical procedures. Imagine practicing laparoscopic surgery with real-time force feedback, perfecting bone plating techniques, laparoscopic skills, mastering microsurgery, and progressing fast to actually replant a cut hand or finger. Surgeons are often skeptical of new technologies, but the ones who embrace XR training will race ahead of the curve. They will henceforth enter the operating room with confidence, their muscle memory already developed, their skills sharpened. Heard of XR, AI, Holo, and other technologies in training to operate someone and save their life? That is a very gimmicky thought, but after seeing how precise and adaptable it is, I wish I had this during my residency, that I would be less scared of a scenario. Muscle memory and finesse did not come at the cost of patient complications. Training smarter means training safer. The future of surgical education is here. Are you ready to embrace it? Subscribe for more insights on advanced technologies in healthcare, like, share, and hit the bell icon for updates.